EnergyMeta is an energy management ecosystem designed for the power and utility sector. Integrate remote monitoring of your hydroelectric, solar, coal, biogas, and gas-fired plants into a unified energy control environment. Monitor key performance indicators remotely and in real time within a 3D digital environment. From your unified command center, manage solar, biogas, hydroelectric, coal, and gas turbine operations. Access summarized snapshots of each plant's operational efficiency, risks, capacity utilization. Continuously track financial performance, including revenue, trading results, and O&M costs across all plants. Maintain real-time cybersecurity situational awareness across your entire energy network. Track environmental impacts and carbon emissions. Monitor overall energy network performance, including power inflow and outflow, substation health indices, efficiencies, and system losses. Monitor grid response, demand-supply balance, voltage sags, and overall power quality in real time. Dive into individual plants, such as the coal plant, for detailed real-time remote monitoring. Gain situational awareness of coal plant operations, covering availability, reliability, capacity utilization, and mean time before failure. View comprehensive financial overviews. Access daily, monthly, and yearly operational and financial reports in real time from anywhere. Track fuel and load performance in real time, receive alerts and alarms, and view maintenance prescriptions. Monitor boiler performance continuously, detect potential failures, and get maintenance recommendations. Monitor turbine performance live and track time to failure predictions. Assess condenser and overall thermodynamic performance parameters as well. Use EnergyMeta's predictive engine to estimate blade erosion and time to failure on demand. Predict seal leak, time to failure instantly when required. Track other plants within the same platform, such as solar power units. Evaluate performance using predictive insights and compare with actual generation to improve operations. Monitor performance from the site and unit level down to the smallest string level through the HMI interface. Biogas plant, monitoring, operational overview, financial performance summary, real-time reporting, asset-level process monitoring and analytics, gas-fired plant monitoring. Monitor operational, financial, and individual component-level performance. EnergyMeta is a digital twin system powered by predictive, generative, and agentic AI.